Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself. We're back again with a very useful video to help you navigate life. Are you tired of wasting money? Do you always dread going into the last few days of the month and realizing you are completely out of spending money? Well, worry no more. You have come to the right place and we've just a video for you. So, what are you waiting for? Like the video, press the bell icon so you never miss out on an update, and let's dive into the useful ways that you can trick yourself into saving money. Saving money can be incredibly hard, especially when you are just starting out on your career and you feel as if you're hardly making ends meet. What's even harder though is having to go a week or two without your car because you don't have money for maintenance, or the walk of shame to your friend's apartment who has a birthday party and you have no money to buy a gift. We're going to look at all the ways you can save money without the whole missing a meal a day or giving up your own gym membership sort of drastic changes. Let's not talk about any of the obvious and well-known ways of saving money and budgeting, like automating your savings in your bank account or using apps and sites for sales, etc. Rather, I'll let you know the sneaky little ways to trick your brain. Play mind games. Your mind is an incredibly powerful organ that you can outwit. You want to break a habit of spending too much money. The right way to do so is to fool your brain. Number 1, turn saving into a bill. You're probably always thinking, I should pay this bill. I should make this super awesome purchase. I should buy that overpriced Starbucks coffee because I'll only live once. This way, you'll end up having no money to put into savings. One consistent way to save is to make sure you have no way out of it. Do not let yourself give any excuses. Make savings a bill and make sure to pay it on time. Once it's gone, you can budget your remaining money around it. You might have to end up skipping a coffee, but you'll be energetic enough on your heightened sense of superiority over being a responsible person. Number 2, talk it out loud. If you keep your saving resolution to yourself, you're more likely to go back on it. One way to make sure you stay on track is to tell someone you intend to save. Ask them to randomly question you whether you're keeping up with your resolution. Some intimidating person who can give a good "I'm disappointed in you" face works best for this purpose. You'll save money to save face. It's a little brutal, but it definitely works. Number 3, don't need money to have fun. As Sia said in an absolute banger, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Saving money does not mean you have to cut down on fun times. It just means you have to reimagine them. Look for cheaper thrills. Do you have regular meetups with friends or family at fancy restaurants? How about you switch it up and arrange a cute picnic in a park? Maybe arrange a one-dish party at your home. Maybe have a movie night with your friends on your couch. Your company makes simple times memorable. Every time you arrange an alternate and cheaper plan, put aside the money you would have spent otherwise. When you've saved an amount you're proud of, give yourself a little treat and go eat in the restaurant you can't stop thinking about. You've earned it. Number 4, bank your bonuses. You've worked hard at your job and got a good salary raise, but somehow you're still left with the same amount of money at the end of the month as before. If you're left thinking, wait, what just happened? It's easier to get carried away with our little expenses and purchases. We don't even realize how much money has been spent until we see the total amount. When this happens, it's time for a financial counseling session with yourself. Remind yourself that you were getting by without the bonus. This is extra money and it needs to be put into savings immediately. If you don't do this, it'll probably be spent on your wants instead of needs. Number 5, put the money on the highest shelf. One excellent way to stop yourself from spending money is to put it on the top shelf, literally and metaphorically. Convenience is great, and most banks have made it easy as a click on your phone to access funds. Though this sounds great, it can be devastating on your pockets if you have bad spending habits. Make it a little harder to get the money so you are forced to think longer before spending it. One option is to open an account with a smaller bank all the way across town. This way, you have to drive to get to the bank and get cash out unless you want to potentially deal with ATM fees. Every time you find yourself thinking these few dollars aren't nearly enough, remind yourself that drop by drop makes the ocean. All your little savings and sacrifices add up to give you the extra blanket of financial safety that you're looking for. So, what are you waiting for? Stop stressing and start saving today. And that's it from our side for today. Don't forget to like the video and tell us in the comments which one of these tricks you found the most useful. Press that bell icon to never miss out on any updates, and we'll see you guys in the next one.